guys? Brian, SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Before we get started on this little walk around here, we will have you click the subscribe button in the bottom right corner. All right, so what we've got is a 2019 Toyota Tacoma that we sent up on the Icon kit. This is a 1.75 inch to 3 inch kit, but we usually leave it right around the 2 inch kit, so it's much more of a leveling kit with the new struts. So as we come around here, up front we did the coilover system. We also replaced the UCAs with the billet, so you can see in there those are pretty burly. We also did the uniball, so those UCAs do really well going all the way through the stroke. And then we went 285/75 R16, so we did reuse the original wheels from this truck. Those Toyota wheels actually look really good, and they clear this Icon kit since we didn't go up too far. Those are the Cooper Discover ST Maxes, so a much more aggressive tire than what comes on these things stock. And then let's see, left the running boards in there as well. And then out back we did the remote reservoir shocks. And another thing about the back end of this truck, we did go with 488 gears. This guy wanted the extra torque and power going uphill. Make sure that the truck handled anything that you could possibly throw at it. Also, a design flaw from the factory on these Toyotas, and I know people hate when we talk any crap about Toyotas, y'all are loyalists, but the exhaust actually goes under the transfer case, and you don't want to hit anything with that because you'll pinch your exhaust off and your truck will not be happy. So we ended up rerouting that and we went behind the transfer case instead, so give that a little bit of extra protection. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and ask any questions in the comments section below. And we hope you guys show us some cool builds of what you've been doing with these Toyotas. Thanks.